so it's time to get this motor in. Alright, so I'm going to lift.
Yeah, and I'm going to slide this.
No, you're going to guide this in.
Oh, okay.
Is that it? Okay, sun's up. Last night we gave this stuff a spray with this rusted metal converter, which is basically just phosphoric acid. Please paint it on, don't spray it on. We also gave it a solid pressure wash. Now it's time just to give it a quick coat of cheap flat black paint just to make it look better. We've also got some better back tyres coming. These are shattered. There's splits everywhere in them. I don't know if you can see the splits or not, but yeah, they're just stuffed. So yeah, we've got some new ones coming there, and I've really got to work out this front brake cable. But other than that, we are there. The gear shifts work. It still starts great now. So onwards and upwards. It's got its clothes on. That's looking good. We've had to obviously replace a couple of nuts, as you can see in there, and up there as well. The front tyres are good. The back tyres we've taken off. We're just about to replace those. We're getting all of the plastics on, and the fuel sender is just shot. The fuel gauge, yeah, is shot. So we're going to have to replace, just put a little thing in here with some Permatex and seal it down, because I'm not really worried about running one of those. Just got a little bit of wiring left to do, not much at all. And over here our tyres have arrived, which is quite exciting. So the Bayou tyres standard, I don't know if you can see this really well or not. Where are we here? There we go. You see they're 22 by 10 by 10s, and these here are 20 by 10 by 10s. We just can't get this size in Australia really well, but you can see how absolutely shattered these are from just, you know, sitting flat pretty much. So we're going to change these out for these brand new aggressive treads, bolt it all back together, and it's looking pretty good. We're pretty happy with it now. So it runs, we're pretty happy with it, and here we go. Alright, so you need to be able to break that bead.
Okay. Oh, so you don't just shove a screwdriver in there like on the cars?
You've actually got to spend a bit of effort.
Is this because this one's just older and it's just like
No,
stuck?
all tyres need to break the beads. Okay. Well, that didn't work.